Hey guys, it's been a while. Welcome back to another video, and for today I will be sharing with you our trip from Baguio to Batangas to Mindoro. So this is actually a 14-hour trip, but it was all worth it. Pero bago ang lahat, samahan nyo muna ako mag-rush impake because this trip was not so planned. So sumakay na kami ng bus going to Cubao, and that took us 4 hours. Then right after that, nag-book kami ng Grab papunta ng Jamliner Terminal dahil doon kami sasakay papunta sa Batangas Pier. And this is it. We are now in Batangas Port. So as you can see guys, ang ganda ng port nila dito. Maliwanag, maaliwalas, and malinis. So para siyang airport talaga. Ang daming options dito na bilihan ng ticket papuntang Mindoro, but we chose Starlight Ferries because ito lang yung may 5 AM na trip going to Calapan City. And aside from the ticket na bibilhin mo, kailangan mo rin bumili ng terminal ticket na worth 30 pesos. And dito na rin nga kami nag-early breakfast sa port since marami silang mga available na rice meals, sandwiches, and coffee and donuts, and many more. Then we had a 5-minute walk from boarding gate hanggang papunta doon sa barko kung saan kami magbo-board. And this is what their tourist cabin looks like. So medyo madilim nga lang yung pag-video ko, pero ang dami dito mga double decks where you can sleep, you can rest, and also fully air-con naman siya. Pero bilang tayo ay dagat person, I prefer staying here. Of course, tingin-tingin sa dagat, magmuni-muni, and watch the sunrise. Kung nagugutom ka naman, meron din sila ditong dining area where you can avail rice meals or some snacks. And finally, after 3 hours, we are now in Calapan City.
We are now in Mindoro. Ayun, mga ikot.
Pero hindi pa nga dito natatapos ang aming biyahe because after kaming sunduin nila Ate Mitch sa kanyang limousine, and then we had our second breakfast dito sa kanyang office and grocery run na rin para sa aming mga babaunin sa pupuntahan namin. And nakita ko nga dito dahil wala tayo sa ating teritoryo, medyo pricey yung kanilang mga Benguet vegetables. But I super appreciate ang kanilang zero plastic policy. As in, ultimo yung kanilang pantali ay abaka. So wala silang plastic straws dito. Ayaw nila ng plastic. Uy! And this is what the Foursquare Church in Calapan looks like. So katabi lang siya ng office ni Ate Mitch. And then, pinagpatuloy na nga namin ang aming biyahe going to Mansalay. At dito nga kami magsistay for 3 days and 2 nights. And after 4 hours na biyahe, we're here. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!